Uh, how's it going, guys or people? Um, it is 2:10 a.m. I have an assessment for week 14 coming up in 8 hours. I am pretty tired. Didn't finish studying as much as I wanted to, but I just realized that when I was applying to I'm just gonna jump right into it. When I was applying into like coding boot camps, I remember there wasn't many videos on some of the boot camps I was interested in. And as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be talking about App Academy. Real quick, I just gotta say, man, I absolutely love App Academy. I haven't attended any other boot camps, but I could not imagine another boot camp being as amazing as App Academy. Now, yeah, it may be a little biased because I'm currently in App Academy, but regardless, it's getting hot in here. What was I gonna say? Right. Snap back into it. Right. So I have, man, I probably should have wrote down some talking points. I'm not gonna go too in depth. I do gotta sleep at some point. But real quick, I just wanted to say that so far I've been loved App Academy and the way they teach everything. I was worried about, because I didn't have much coding experience before joining App Academy, so I was kind of nervous if like how much help they actually offered, and like if I got stuck, like would I have a teacher available to help me out? Was it more like they give you a bunch of information, figure it out on your own and take these tests? Or is it like, what was the layout like? And man, I gotta say, absolutely love it. So like, we start in the morning. Usually it's a lecture, and the night before we have like a few readings, a few hours of reading, nothing crazy. So we do the reading, try to understand it. Next day we have lecture, right? So we meet as a class, and the teacher kind of goes over the homework. If we guys got if we have any questions or anything, to answer them. Then we stay in the main Zoom room. We watch some videos of the homework, even better, right? So you read it, watch some videos on it, and then usually if there's like more than 2 videos, after each video we stop as a class. They kind of go over the video with examples and any questions we have, which amazing, dude. I've learned so much like that. And then after that, we either lecture until lunch, or we split up into pair programming, because you got to pair program if you're in this industry, man. Come on. And usually when you pair program, you work on some coding problems. You work on projects, like different things. And if you get stuck at any point, because you're still in the Zoom call, in the Zoom class, so you kind of like in breakout rooms. So if, oh my bad, what am I saying? Anyways, right, if you get stuck at any point with your partner, you can always call in the teacher and they help you out. Right, you do that for a few hours, finish that, you can split up and start the homework, or if it goes until the end of the day, because they have something called EOD, which is end of day, and they kind of go over everything you learned. They go over some of the stuff you're going to learn, some goals, where you should be. You can ask some questions. It is, and that's just day to day, man. I gotta say, I absolutely love it. So far, I've learned JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, fairly well, man. I feel extremely comfortable with it. We also went into like algorithms and data structures, which is huge for interviews. If you watch any other videos, man, it's like all interviews. It's getting hot in here. All interviews are. So I think it's amazing. I don't think many boot camps do that. I think this boot camp is extremely organized, and it kind of keeps up with everything. Like, so with React, I think hooks became a bigger thing. Like, maybe last. I actually don't know. I cannot keep up with things right now. I'm so tired. Yeah, but recently, an update came out. I think React 17 came out, and literally the week before we moved into a new module to learn React, which is the week I'm in, they like changed everything to be updated with React 17, which is amazing, because like even in real world, like later on when you have a job, you always got to keep up with these technologies. So the fact that they did that, so we would get like the newest information, awesome, love it. But I will say this is like, if you want to get into coding, I'd highly recommend doing their free open App Academy. And they go through some JavaScript. I'm pretty sure didn't really go through it, because man, if you want to like do good, and actually learn everything, you got to put in 110%, like hours, man. I have not left my house in weeks, man. Like, I've probably left to go grocery shopping. I haven't hung out with anybody like since I've started. Well, actually, no, I can't say that. There's been a few weekends where I'm like, you know what, I need a break. I need some time to myself, relax, going out with some friends. But man, dude, because like not only do I do like the coursework, but I also got some Udemy courses on the side, so I can learn some other stuff, which I think is pretty cool. I've been out here connecting with different people. Man, this video is so off track. I'm probably just gonna end it here before I just start rambling on. If you guys got any questions, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm allowed to post this. I hope I don't get kicked out. I didn't say nothing bad. I didn't expose any sensitive information. I just, I didn't see any App Academy videos out here. At least when I was applying to boot camps. So I was like, maybe it's a little insight, because I personally wanted to know what the classes were like, what the actual layout was like, how the material is, and like, stuff like that. I don't know. If you guys got any questions, I guess you guys can let me know. I am on week 14, going into 15, but the assessment for 14 is in a few hours. And hopefully I don't get deferred, so wish me luck. Hopefully I pass. I don't know, man. I'm tired, so this probably wasn't a good time to make a video. Also, yeah, my hair is a little messed up. I haven't got a haircut in a little bit. It's because, so right before App Academy, I shaved my head. Like, I completely shaved my head. Like, I had maybe 7-8 inches of hair, permed it, wore out the perm for a month, and then I think like a week into App Academy, I was like, all right, completely, like, you can see my scalp type of thing. Like, I went completely bald, because I was like, I'm gonna be in this boot camp for 6 months. Whatever. I stopped going to the gym, man, so like I gained a little bit of weight, as you can see. All good though, man. It's only 6 months, man. You got to think about that. 6 months of your life, and you become really comfortable with a lot of this stuff. I'd definitely say you become like job ready. You know what I mean? Because like you got some pair programming. You learned a lot in the languages that you learn. You learn how to use GitHub, which is huge. Like, if you can learn how to use GitHub, you can learn how to use any of these other markup. Is that the fucking? Is that what it's called? Oh man. I don't know. I'm tired. Anyways, yeah. If you guys got any questions, let me know down below.